Hi, this video demonstrates the practical work completed for my Cloud Engineering Principles and Practice assignment. For this project, I created a multi-container Docker application based on a Hogwarts theme website using Docker container networking, volumes, and Docker Hub image publishing. I'm Kelly Casey and this is my project. So this is my main project, which is on localhost 8080. Each Hogwarts house page is running inside its own separate Docker container. The main page links to the services together, while each house page runs on a different port. This is similar to how modern applications are separated into smaller independent services. One advantage of this approach is that services can be updated or managed independently without affecting the whole application. If we come down here, this is just a basic library. This is just a cute aestheticness. So as I said, this is on localhost 8080. If we click here on Gryffindor, it shows 8081, and then it just sends us to this page, which is just an overview of the Gryffindor. And we click here, we'll return back to 8080. And then we'll do Slytherin, which is 8082. And then Ravenclaw, which is 8083. And then Hufflepuff, which is 8084. So now I'm going to go on to Docker. Here in the Docker desktop, you can see all the running containers used in this project. The main application runs again on 8080, and you can see the individual houses on their own separate ports. Docker makes it super easy to manage multiple services while keeping them isolated from each other as well. So I'm now going to go into my command prompt. And type in docker ps, and this command shows the running containers. So you can see that the containers IT ports and the container names, they're all currently active. These were created a lot longer than 9 hours ago. I've just updated them all recently, just like to show what they all look like a bit better. Now I'm going to type in Docker images, and then this shows the command, the reusable Docker images created during the project. Images contain the files and the configurations needed to run the application consistently across different systems. I'm now going to type in Docker volume. So yeah, this command just shows the Docker volume used within the project. Volumes are important because they allow data to persist even if the containers are restarted or removed. Now I'm putting in Docker network. So Docker networking allows containers to communicate with each other while remaining isolated. In this project, networking allows the different Hogwarts services to operate together once connected. I am now going to go into my notebook and show you my Docker file. So yeah, this is a Docker file used to build the application image. The project uses Nginx web server images as base image. The application files are copied into the container and the required port is exposed to the site to be assessed through the browser, which is 80. I'm now going to show you my main. This is my main HTML file for the main port. It contains navigation links connecting all the ports to different Hogwarts houses and services. I'll just quickly show you that. It's all mostly just HTML. or aesthetic reasons. Which is my name, Kelly, and my degree I'm pursuing. Then we have a Gryffindor house. And a Slytherin. They're all pretty much similar, other than a couple of the wordings and the colours of the pages. Ravenclaw. And Hufflepuff. I've took the house sorting test and I'm Ravenclaw, so I have to favouritize that one. Right, so now I'm going to go onto here, onto my proposities. So the completed image was also published to a Docker Hub. Docker Hub is an online container registry used to store and share Docker images. So publishing images makes deployment easier because the application can be downloaded and run on any of the systems. So if I click on here, it can show you when it was pushed, and you can pull it down as well if need to onto any system. So overall, the project demonstrated important cloud engineering concepts, including containerism, Docker images, networking, volumes, and image publishing. The project also demonstrated how Docker can be used to create modular and scalable applications using multiple independent services. Thank you for watching.